What's up, YouTube? Tiki Man! Check out that Risentek. They've got that cocoa quark cubes now. Like little square things. I'll show you what I've done with these. I think I came up with a great idea for them. So, check out the peppers. I have no light on today. It's that farmer light up there. It's good light. Gotta get rid of my boxes. Look at the peppers. They are doing super. Yeah. My daughter went to her mom's, so Dad is managing the peppers for a couple days. So I'm gonna come here and do a top dress. She's gonna miss that one. But top dress and everything else, so I'm gonna top dress these. So he's up here. What we got up here? I think this is the Hungarian. Oh, no, that's the Anaheim chili. Right there. And this is a Dragon Cayenne F1, and then so is this pot here, Dragon Cayenne F1. And we got the sweet banana, and we got the sweet lemon dream, and we've got a sweet pepper, and we got another sweet pepper, and we have a California Wonder, and we have a hot lemon. The hot lemon grow cool. They've grown cool the whole time. Crazy leaf structure on them. There's a little spider. And then this one here is the long thin hot cayenne. Yeah, everybody's good on water. These are all being grown in the Risentek soil. Really good soil. Check that out. The link is in the description. So they have these little blocks that you can get. Check these out. These are cocoa. I haven't seen anybody else do that. I've seen people have them underneath, like Rockwell cubes and stuff. But like, this is moist from being watered the other day. Still, got moisture in it. So, but it breathes air through it at the same time. So why not have something like that as a fabric pot support? Whoops, sorry. But you know what I'm saying? How awesome is that? See, look. Perfect. You know what I mean? That's perfect. I thought it was great. Air can travel underneath. The cocoa mat absorbs water but holds it. Still allows it to travel through so the pot can still dry. Just like it's supposed to. I think it's a grand idea. I haven't seen anybody do that one yet. Ha. Let me know if you like that in the comments. I think it's a pretty cool idea. Man, I don't know. I got the Mars Hydro tent set up with those underneath them in there, so we'll see how it does in tent conditions and stuff like that. So, yeah, we got flowers coming on. Got flowers. Got tons of peppers out there on the Thai chilies out there in the greenhouse. Got them transplanted last night, so they're doing really good. Yeah, everything seems to be just a growing along in here. Yeah, I'd be excited for Squirt to get some peppers. Oh yeah, so we did a wee little potato harvest. So we're learning about potatoes here as we go. I'll take you and show you exactly what we got here. It was not pretty considering how big that plant got, but we had them aphids move in. So we got some nice looking potatoes though. I ain't gonna lie, they're pretty potatoes. very similar in uniform and shape. It was definitely a wee potato harvest, to say that. I could definitely eat all these at once. So that was our potato harvest out of that pot that had the pepper plant growing in it. So hey, you win some, you lose some. So we're learning about growing potatoes indoors. So I hadn't seen a lot of people try that yet. So, you know, we're getting there. It's a work in progress. So, alright YouTube, we'll holler at you later. Peace out.